Welcome to 582 Southeast Tanner Avenue in Port St Lucie, Florida. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home features a spacious floor plan. Throughout the entire home is stunning porcelain tile flooring. The centerpiece of the kitchen is a quartz waterfall kitchen island, the perfect space for entertaining. The main suite features a massive walk-in closet, and the luxurious main suite bath features a double vanity, freestanding tub, and custom tiled shower with frameless glass. Opposite of the main suite, the second and third bedrooms both feature walk-in closets. The second bath provides easy access to the pool deck. Centrally located, this home allows easy access to the turnpike, only 5 minutes to the Port District and the Botanical Gardens. The C-24 Canal boat ramp is also only a 5-minute drive away. Within 25 minutes, you can be enjoying the beach. Contact us to learn more about 582 Southeast Tanner Avenue.